Hello everyone. Yeah, this is Chef Losel. So today I'm back with a very simple and quick recipe, crispy chicken leg, which is very easy and simple. You can try it at home. I'm sure it comes out very nice crispy. So let's see the misa. What are the ingredients required for crispy chicken leg home style? Okay, I'm making a salsa which goes very well with the crispy chicken. Alright, so as a accompaniment, okay, you can see that ingredients I'm using are tomato sauce, chopped garlic, onion, and chopped tomato, green chilli, coriander chop, and lemon. Okay, this is very simple. We'll mix everything together. That's it, by seasoning a little bit of salt. Okay, let's start. So it's already now 2 hours. I have marinated the chicken leg piece, and now I'm taking this one refined flour, which I have added a little bit of salt and white pepper. Right? Just mix it here, right? And then I'll take all this chicken, this chicken leg piece, and just coat it with flour, like same. All the chicken legs, just press it a little bit. Make sure this has to be. So it has to be coated well. Just press it like this, and you can see this press. Okay, like this. Same thing. I'll just coat all the chicken leg like this. Then we'll right now, right. All the way, right. I will use the breadcrumb and the cornflour. I use only refined flour as if you remember earlier also I mentioned that whenever you coat with the refined flour, crispiness after frying deep frying, it doesn't remain quite long with the refined flour. So I would suggest you can use the refined flour because if you want to keep it for like 2-3 hours crispiness, right? It's done now. You can see the color, like golden crisp color. Done. That's the color. Okay. Perfectly done. down. Let's do the thing. Let's do the presentation, which is the most important thing. Okay, I'll show you how to present. Okay, see? I'll place the chicken like this. 2, 3, 4. I'll use one is 4 chicken, right? Like this. Then I'll put some the salsa on top, right? I'll put some salsa. The presentation is the most important thing. Okay, I'll put the salsa on top. Alright, this is how you have to present, and I'll use a coriander sprig. Okay, this, get it each. This, like this.